Medical errors are the third leading cause of death in the United States, just behind heart disease and cancer.
An alarming statistic from our nation's healthcare system: preventable medical errors resulting in death. But how can you know if the hospital you or your loved one is seeking care from is truly safe?
Medical errors are serious, and we need to work on reducing those close to zero if we can.
Paul Peach is the president of the Health Policy Corporation of Iowa. It's a nonprofit organization striving to improve the quality and affordability of healthcare in the state.
Hospitals work on improvement all the time, and we just encourage them to do that with a consumer in mind and performance in mind.
HPCI represents 23 counties in Iowa and 1 in Nebraska. But when you look at national hospital safety
grades. It's our attempt by employers and other people to try to get a handle on reducing medical errors.
Enter the LeapFrog Group. It's a nonprofit organization created by healthcare professionals with a goal to make giant leaps forward in the safety and quality of U.S. hospitals and healthcare. Twice a year, LeapFrog releases grades for the nation's top hospitals, and these grades are based off of a number of different data points, public records, and are decided upon by a group of medical professionals. Sioux City's MercyOne Siouxland Hospital and UnityPoint Health St. Luke's are both part of the LeapFrog grading system, and in spring of this year, both hospitals earned themselves a C grade. LeapFrog safety grades are released every spring and fall. MercyOne has been at a consistent C grade since spring of 2016. St. Luke's, on the other hand, has been a bit of a roller coaster. From the spring of 2016 to the spring of 2017, St. Luke's sat at a C grade. The fall of that year, they dropped down to a D before rising once again in the spring of 2018 to a C. Fall of last year saw them rise up even more to a B grade before dropping down to a C for the most recent report card. For those who don't visit Sioux City's 2 main hospitals, Omaha and Sioux Falls Medical Centers also receive semi-annual grades. There are 8 major hospitals in the Omaha Council Bluffs metro area, with Methodist Jenny Edmondson Hospital receiving the only A grade. Sioux Falls has 2 hospitals, Avera McKinnon Hospital and Sanford University Medical Center. Both of them received C ratings for the spring of 2019. With these grades, LeapFrog's goal is to inform the public, with the hope that hospitals will work on making improvements to their patient care.
I think transparency is the way to go, because where providers see their performance being measured and available to the public, transparent, there will be improvement.